Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with the essentials and then act. Update Windows and reboot so cached OS issues disappear. Once done, cycle the router and test a wired connection to isolate Wi-Fi problems. Run ping 8. 8. 8. 8 to check DNS reachability. Next, open your browser in incognito, clear the Google cache, and temporarily disable extensions to rule out interference. Make sure you note which extensions are off so you can restore them later. These actions often reveal whether the issue is system, network, or browser related. Once basic steps are done, move into network internals. Flush DNS and renew the IP so stale records are removed using ipconfig commands. Then change your adapter's DNS to Google or Cloudflare to bypass ISP resolver issues and test Google.com again. Inspect the host's file for accidental blocks and confirm no system proxy is set. Disable VPNs or local security appliances briefly because they can intercept traffic. If search works after this, you've isolated DNS or proxy interference. To finish, reset the browser to defaults or reinstall it so corrupted settings or extensions are removed. Alternatively, test Google in a different browser to confirm browser-specific faults. Run a full malware and adware scan using updated security tools because intrusive software can hijack searches. If the problem persists, collect error messages, take screenshots, and test from another network or mobile hotspot to determine if the issue is local or provider side. Troubleshooting tip: if swapping DNS and networks fails, check router firmware and ISP status.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.